Hello everyone. Hope you're doing well. Today, we are going to see how to configure the OneSignal setup for the Flutter app. Firstly, you need to go to OneSignal website and log into your account. Then, on the top right side corner click on New App/Website button. After that, enter some mandatory details like enter OneSignal app name, select your organization you belong to, and you can see here 5 different channels are mentioned, so I'll select Google Android FCM. For more options, click on More Options. After selecting options, just click on Next. Configure your platform. After clicking on Next, it will redirect to the Google Android FCM configuration. Here you can see we need a service account JSON file. For that JSON file, you can retrieve that file from Firebase console and in the settings and in that project settings, and here in service accounts simply click on Generate New Private Key and your JSON file will be downloaded. After downloading the JSON file, return to the OneSignal dashboard and select and upload the downloaded file and simply click on the Save and Continue and save your settings. Here just select Flutter and hit on Save and Continue. You see your app ID will be created here. Simply hit the copy of that ID to your clipboard and click on the Done button. After that, from the left sidebar in the settings, select the keys and IDs, and in that you see OneSignal app ID and REST API key. If you need, you can generate a new API key from this button. Move ahead, copy that both files, and then go to the left sidebar into the message sections, and in the bottom, one button will be there to add group. Simply hit it and one pop-up will appear. And that will create notification group. Simply give a name to it and hit on Submit button. Here you can see your group will be created. If you need to edit your group name, simply hit 3 dots and click on the Edit. Moreover, we need to add a channel to that group. If you click on Add Channel, then one pop-up will appear here, and fill some mandatory field according to your need and click the Create button. After Create Channel, just click on that channel. You can see here our channel ID will be shown. Simply copy that ID and close that pop-up. Going ahead in the left sidebar and in the Messages section and in that Push property, it will redirect to the Push page, and on that page top right side corner, there is one button that is New Messages. Just hit on it and in that select New Push. Here you can see our new push notification page will appear. On that page, just fill the mandatory fields according to your need and the output will be shown at the right side. After that, just hit on Review and Send. And one pop-up will appear to review your message, and simply hit the Send message. Here you see how easy it is to configure the OneSignal setup for the Flutter app.